Hi there everyone, this is Carl, and I'm going to show off these two keyboards in this random video. One of these keyboards I've already shown off previously on Twitter, which is this one. This is a first revision, I think, GMMK. The brand is called specifically Glorious PC Gaming Race, which is awesome by itself. So this GMMK is an ANSI-layout one, and I've put Kailh BOX Navies in them, which not only feel great, but they sound great as well. Amazing stuff this is. I've already shown this off on Twitter, but not this one right here. That is the second keyboard I now own. And this is a newer revision GMMK with ISO-layout, specifically German ISO layouts. This one is a non-clicky keyboard. This one is supposed to be the work-friendly version of the keyboard that I have above. This one I have put originally Kailh BOX Browns in, and they just felt too light. You can see right here, this is what the switches are, but I've replaced them with these orange switches, these Kailh BOX orange, burnt orange switches, which have a similar actuation force by number as the Jade or as the Navies, 75 grams of actuation force, but it still feels different and it sounds different too. Much more silent and muted, but still, if you type heavily on it, they still generate a nice sound. But I'm going to show off the sound of both of these using 1-minute tests, and hopefully you will enjoy the sounds of both of them. So, first of all, I'm actually going to type on the US layout or ANSI-layout keyboard with the Kailh BOX Navies in them, just to remind you of the sound, so you can compare it to the other keyboard if you want to. Anyways, let's go for it. Well, that was definitely not a clean session. Now, if I were to seriously type on this, I would not go as fast and just type a little bit more safely. So that will reduce the count of the mistakes to quite a low number, like 3 or 2 or even less. But this is the German layout keyboard with the Kailh BOX burnt oranges in them. And I have practiced a little bit more with this keyboard now. And yeah, anyways, we'll see how this goes. I guess we know what the clear winner is by numbers. I mean, this keyboard is insane. It's not sounding as nice as the other keyboard, but I can type so much quicker on it. You can see that I made less mistakes on this keyboard, but also I got almost 140 words per minute. That's insane. In fact, that is the first time I nearly got to 140 words per minute, and I just caught it on camera. Isn't that amazing? I'm just gonna do like a quick comparison without the screen up. So I hope you enjoyed the sounds. It definitely feels more cushioned on this one, the sound. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.